To install this handy toolbox of VBA goodies, open Microsoft Project to your local profile. Go to Options. Go to Trust Center, Trust Center Settings, Macro Settings, and select Enable All Macros. Also select the legacy formats and allow loading files with legacy or non-default file formats. This allows us to use CSV files in and out. Click OK twice and completely exit Microsoft Project to make those settings stick. Next, point your browser to the URL in the comment below or at the bottom of your screen. Under the Assets section, you'll see the .mpp file. Save that to your Downloads directory. Navigate to your Downloads directory. Right-click on the downloaded file and select Properties, Unblock, and then OK. Now you can open the downloaded file in Microsoft Project. Be sure to log into your computer profile. First, we need to copy the modules from the downloaded file into your local global. Go to File, Info, Organizer. Select the Modules tab. On the right side, select everything from the downloaded file. Click Copy to move those into your global.mpt. Once that's done, hit Cancel and go back. Next, we need to run the Bootstrap installation routine. Go to View, Macros, View Macros. Search for a macro called CPT Setup and click Run. A notification will appear letting you know that you only need to run that once. If after the Bootstrap installation routine finishes, you don't see the full gamut of features across the ribbon, go to ClearPlan, Help, check for upgrades. Select Upgrade All. Once the upgrade is complete, click Close. You should be good to go. If you encounter any issues with installation, please reach out to us at help@clearplanconsulting.com. Likewise, if you would like to install the ClearPlan Toolbar in your enterprise environment, contact help@clearplanconsulting.com for personalized assistance.